Want to change the background of your video? Here's how to swap it out in Premiere Rush. First, open your project and drag your new background image or video onto the new track in the timeline. Next, adjust the background layer's position and scale it to fit your video. You can add effects to make your background blend smoothly with the rest of your footage. Let me know in the comments if you are changing the background of your video. Now you have got a fresh background for your video. Play around with layers and effects for a perfect look. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.